In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money on Twitter. Now, the first way is getting a subscription fee from your super followers for your exclusive content. And you need first to access the super follow feature, then start sharing valuable content to attract more super followers. The second sure way to make money on Twitter is through Twitter ticketed spaces. And here, you change Twitter users who want to listen to you on your spaces. And you should be sharing great content to attract more paying listeners. Another sure way to make money on Twitter is getting a subscription fee for your Twitter newsletter. And you need first to set up the newsletter, then share great content to get more paying subscribers. The next sure way to make money on Twitter is through affiliate marketing. And there are so many companies with affiliate programs where you can sell their products or services. And you just need to include an affiliate link or a code in your profile or tweets and earn a commission when someone buys through the link or using the code. And there's also selling your own products, merchandise, or services as another sure way to make money on Twitter. And you can sell like everything from physical products and digital products to offering advice and executing tasks or on jobs. And you just need to direct Twitter users to where they can buy or access the products or services. And you can use the Twitter shopping feature or Twitter ads or Twitter professional account to boost your sales. In addition, you can do sponsored content or brand partnership as another sure way to make money on Twitter. And here, you get paid by brands to promote their products or services as an influencer. And you can just tweet about the brand, product or service, or mention the brand, product or service on your Twitter profile. And there are so many platforms where you can connect with the more brands. Moreover, you can do crowdfunding or fan funding as another sure way to make money on Twitter. And this involves asking your Twitter community audience for monetary support, donations, or tips. And you can also take your Twitter content like videos to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And as a bonus, other ways to make money on Twitter include getting a share of the Twitter video ad revenue, completing challenges and contests for pay, promoting your monetized website or YouTube channel, collaborating with top Twitter users to boost your account and earnings, creating and selling Twitter accounts, licensing your tweets to media houses or other interested parties, becoming a Twitter consultant or talent manager, and launching your career in including music and commenting. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Twitter and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.